I am never going back to the old way. If you have used AI music tools before, you know the problems. You type a prompt, you get a track. You like the melody, but the drums are wrong. You type a new prompt, you lose the melody. You get better drums. You go back and forth. Each generation is a fresh start. Nothing carries over. And to get anything usable, you need to know 3+ tools. Suno for songs, Udio for refinement, a stem splitter for extraction, a video editor for syncing. Each one lives on a different website. Each one requires a different workflow. Each one outputs a different format. You are not composing, you are juggling tabs. Tools have improved, but no one built a coherent system for music creation. It has been a patchwork. One-time generation with no memory, no iteration, no conversation. I spent more time regenerating than refining. I was not creating music. I was gambling with prompts. That changed when I found this. This is Tunesona, the first AI music agent that works like a real collaborator. You chat with it. You describe your idea. It plans the song structure before it generates a single note. It remembers every change you ask for. It refines the track step by step until it sounds exactly how you want. Music creation has a language. Tunesona finally learned to speak it. Step 1. Open your browser. Type tunesona.com in the address bar and press Enter. Look at the center of the page. You will see a button that says Start Free Now. Click it. You can also click Join our Discord to connect with the community. The first few viewers who reach out there get free VIP access. You will be taken to the creation page. Look at the left sidebar. You will see Home, Member, AI Creation, Songs, Projects, Invite and Earn, Notes from Tunesona, and Discord. This is your entire music workspace. Now look at the main area. You will see a text box that says, Tell me what music you want. Above it, you will see style presets like Spring Cafe Vibes, Spring Night Dream, Cinematic Adventure, and more. Click on any preset to load that style instantly. Now here is where everything else falls apart, and Tunesona does not. Look below the text box. You will see 4 quick actions. Create lyric song, create instrumental, write lyrics, and generate style. Click in the text box. Type your idea. For example, an upbeat pop song about a road trip with friends, summer vibes, acoustic guitar, catchy chorus. Click the Generate button. Watch the AI plan your song first. You will see it break down the structure. Intro, verse 1, pre-chorus, chorus, verse 2, bridge, final chorus, outro. This is important. Tunesona plans before it generates. Most tools skip this step. That is why their songs feel random. Now watch the generation. Your song starts building layer by layer. The melody comes first, then the arrangement, then the production, then the final mix. Now here's the moment that made me stop and pay attention. Look at the chat panel. Your song is done, but you want to change something. You type, make the chorus more energetic. Add a drum build before the drop. Press Enter. Watch what happens. Tunesona does not regenerate the whole song. It refines only the chorus. The verses stay the same. The melody stays the same. The structure stays the same. Only the chorus gets more energetic. Now type, change the style to late night indie pop. Press Enter. Watch the entire track transform into an indie pop sound. Same song, same structure, different style. One instruction. Now type, extend the bridge by 8 bars. Press Enter. Watch the bridge extend seamlessly. The energy flows naturally. The transition back to the chorus is smooth. This is not AI with one-shot generation. This is AI with memory. This is AI with iteration. Now look at this. Stem splitter. Look at the left sidebar. Click on Songs. Find your track. Click on it. You will see options. Vocal remover, stem splitter, up to 12 tracks, subtitle files downloads, lyric video MP4, MIDI, and sheet music downloads, MP3 downloads, WAV downloads. Now here is the second capability, lyric video generation. Click on Lyric Video MP4. Watch Tunesona generate a synchronized lyric video for your song. The words appear on screen in time with the vocals. The style matches your music. Export it as MP4. Upload it directly to YouTube. Now here is the most advanced capability. Reference song. Look at the creation page. Click on Custom. Upload a reference track. Type. Create a song in this style, but with different lyrics. Click Generate. Watch Tunesona analyze the reference track's structure, tempo, instrumentation, and mood. Then generate a completely original song that matches the style. Now look at this. MIDI and sheet music downloads. Click on MIDI and sheet music downloads. Download the MIDI file. Open it in any DAW. Every note, every instrument, every layer is there. Download the sheet music. Print it. Share it with your band. This is not just an audio file. This is a fully composed piece of music. To export, click on the download button next to your track. Select your format: MP3, WAV, MIDI, sheet music, lyric video MP4. Click download. Your file is ready. I created a full song, refined it through conversation, extracted the stems, and exported the lyric video in 20 minutes. Compare that to what you could make in 20 minutes with your current tools. The difference is not just quality, it is workflow, it is collaboration. The basic plan is $6.999 a month. You get 1,000 credits, up to 200 songs, up to 2 concurrent jobs, lyrics and style generation, music generation, reference song, extend song, vocal remover, stem splitter up to 12 tracks, subtitle files, lyric video MP4, MIDI and sheet music downloads, MP3 and WAV downloads. Just keep in mind, the basic plan is designed for personal use, so songs created on Basic do not include commercial usage rights. If you want to use your tracks in client work, monetized content, or commercial projects, you will need an active Pro or Premier subscription. The Pro plan is $9.99 a month. You get 2,000 credits, up to 400 songs, up to 5 concurrent jobs, all basic features included. And this is where commercial use really opens up. Any song you create under an active Pro plan comes with permanent commercial rights, even if you cancel later. If you are creating music for YouTube, brands, podcasts, games, or paid projects, Pro is the plan I would recommend. The Premier plan is $69.99 lifetime. You get unlimited songs, 2,000 credits per month, up to 10 concurrent jobs, all Pro features, plus one-on-one service. Just like Pro, songs you create while your Premier subscription is active also carry permanent commercial rights, so anything you make during that time is locked in for commercial use. To build this setup on your own, you would need separate subscriptions for AI music generation, stem splitting, vocal removal, lyric video creation, and MIDI export. Easily $50 plus a month. Tunesona gives you all of it starting at $6.99. Tunesona does 3 things that change everything. First, conversation-based creation. You chat with the AI, refine your song step by step, and nothing is lost between generations. Second, complete music workflow. Lyrics, style, melody, arrangement, stems, lyric video, MIDI, sheet music, all from one platform. Third, royalty-free commercial use on eligible plans. Every track you create under Pro or Premier is yours to use in videos, podcasts, films, games, and ads, with permanent commercial rights for those songs. This is not AI with a prompt. This is AI with a conversation. And for the first time, a complete AI music production system exists for serious creators. If you are a content creator, a filmmaker, a podcaster, a game developer, or anyone who needs original music, use Tunesona now and save yourself the hassle of one-shot generation, disconnected tools, and copyright worries. Go to tunesona.com, click Start Free Now, type your idea, chat with the agent, refine your song. At checkout, you can enter the code CREATE to get 20% off any plan on Tunesona, whether you go Basic, Pro, or Premier. And remember, our original offer still stands. The first few viewers who join the Discord community and contact the support team will receive free VIP access. Try it today. Link is in the description. And join the Discord community. The first few viewers who reach out get free VIP access. Music creation has a language. Tunesona finally speaks it.